In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly design and order one of our photo books. So we've clicked on the All Photo Books page to see the options we have within our books. We have 4 different categories. Reading these descriptions will give you a little bit. We're going to go for a snapshot book. You'll see in here there's 2 sizes available and several color options available in each size. The description here will also tell you a little bit about the process. So these books are lay flat books. They also come with an engraved cover. So in the first step, we're going to design the inside of the album, and then in the second step of the process, we'll input some text for the engraving. So let's show you how to do that. Let's choose a gray cover here, and we're going to go with the classic white background. You'll notice these 5 options available. If you choose these 3 options on the right, you're going to have the more templates that are built into the program. These 2 are blank and intended for you to design from scratch. So I recommend going with one of our template options as an easy way to start. We'll click the next button. We can enter in a name for our book. We'll just call this my book. And a description. If you have lots of projects, this might help you say, this was say a family winter album. Just so you can find things quick if you go back in, if you need to pause. We'll choose autofill, and then I'm going to choose one of my collections. I'm just going to use a nice small one to keep this fast, and then choose next. Now we can mix it up in terms of the number of images per page. I have a small number and I don't want a lot per page, so I'm going to click the 2 photos per page option and then say next. I'm going to keep it small at 10 pages and then say next again. And you'll notice a pause when I hit this screen until it loads our thumbnails. Now this gives an overview of the album layout here. We can reorder these spreads if we'd like. Let's say we don't want this one here. We want to move it down in the album. To do that, we would click the handle button here where you see those 3 bars, drag until we see the gray box appear where we want that spread, and let go. It'll refresh the thumbnails for us and then show us that album. When you have a lot of photos in here, note that those refreshes can take a couple seconds to do, so it'll pause on a white screen. Double check that the order of your spreads is correct, and if it is, click the Add to Cart button. And in this, you'll read that we can personalize the cover of that album. So we're going to put some text in here. We could say, My Great Winter. This will give us 1 line of text. This here would give us a 2nd line of text. You'll notice there's a maximum of 4 lines of text with 75 characters per line. The reason for the limitation is we have a certain area we can engrave on the cover of the album, and the font is going to be automatically chosen for you. It's just a standard sans serif font, modern and clean. When you're done with that, click the Add to Cart button, and you'll notice now that the project is in the cart along with anything else that you previously had in the cart. When you're done adding projects and you're ready to order, just click the checkout button to go to the shopping cart and finish the process. And that's how to order a book.